Clarence and I both love music, and the holiday season is filled with lots of beautiful songs.
But the most meaningful music is the music that we share with family and friends, the music that comes from our hearts.
Go and tell it on the mountain, Lord, over the hills and everywhere. Why don't you go tell it on the mountain, Lord, that Jesus Christ is born. Glory, glory, that Jesus Christ is born. Glory, glory, that Jesus Christ is born. Glory, glory to the newborn King. We're singing glory, glory, glory to the newborn King.
From the entire Monmouth College family, we wish you a wonderful holiday season.